In this video, we're going to estimate and measure perimeters of two-dimensional figures. The perimeter is the length around the outside of a figure. Let's go through this example below. It says to estimate and find the perimeter of the figure below. Well, to find the perimeter means to add all the sides. We need to estimate and find the actual perimeter. Let's first talk about estimation. Estimation means we're getting an answer that's close enough. And we may use rounding. Let's look at this first side. 7.9 is really close to 8, so we can round and say it's 8. 8.8 is really close to 9, so we can round and say that side is 9. 6.8 is close to 7, and 10.1 is close to 10. Now we can find the perimeter of the rounded sides. So we can say the perimeter is about 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 10. To do some quick math, 8 plus 9 is 17 and 7 plus 10 is 17. So the perimeter is about 34 inches. To find the actual perimeter, we need to take 7.9 plus 8.8 plus 6.8 plus 10.1. Just as we did above, we can put together 7.9 and 8.8. That gets us 16.7. We can also put together 6.8 and 10.1. That gets us 16.9. We can add those two to get 7 plus 9, which is 16. 6 plus 6 plus 1 makes 13. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And we can see our actual perimeter is 33.6 inches. Now let's compare our estimation to our actual. Our estimation was 34 inches, and our actual perimeter was 33.6 inches. They were very close. By finding the estimation, we can get a quick approximation, and we can also check to see if our actual perimeter is close to our estimation. Here's another example. It says to estimate and find the perimeter of the figure below, which means we're finding an estimation answer and the actual answer. I want you to pause the video, try it on your own, and when you're ready, hit play and we'll see how you did. Now let's see how you did. Let's first start with our estimation. We know that this side is 3.3, which is close to 3. Since these have the black marks, they're also close to 3. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 3. This side here is 1.9. That's very close to 2. And that equals this side on the other side. So that's also close to 2. Then we have 4.5 and 4.5. Both of those round up to 5. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Plus another 2 is 13. And then plus 10 is 23. So our perimeter is about 23 feet. Now let's find the actual. We have 3.3 3 times. So I'm going to take 3.3 times 3. That's 9.9. We also have 1.9 2 times, so I'm going to take 1.9 times 2. That's 3.8. That leaves us with our final two sides, which are both 4.5. So we can take 4.5 times 2. That gets us 9. When we add those, we get 22.7 feet. Now let's compare our estimation to our actual. Our estimation is very close to our actual. We have one final problem to go through, and this one says to just find the perimeter. Remember, perimeter means that you need to add all of the sides. Well, what do you notice about this figure? If you thought that we're missing this side, you're correct. We have our 4, we have our 5, and then we know this whole length of this side here is going to be 10. So how can we use the information given to find x? We can take 10 minus 3 to find x. We know x is 7 because since the whole length on the bottom is 10, we can take off the part of the triangle that's not on the rectangle above. Using this information, we can take 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 10 to find the perimeter. 4 plus 7 is 11, 5 plus 10 is 15, and 11 plus 15 is 26. So we know our perimeter is 26 meters.